The way you touch me, the way you hold me, you're more than number one. Hey, yeah, I stay shows and you're watching Caribbean TV.
Peace and love, everyone. This is John Day Scott from Mission, Illinois. I'm a patient care specialist, and our medical dispensary is located on 8554 South Commercial, and you can give us a call at 773-530-0088 or visit us online at www.missionil.com. Missionil.com, and we teach you about medical cannabis.
Hi, my name is Andre. We're with Auntie Joy's Jamaican Kitchen. This is Auntie Joy. She does all the cooking. We're over at 1217 West Devon Avenue in Chicago. It's on the north side, close to Loyola University. Come check us out. We're always open every day. The best jerk on the north side, for sure.
Hello, my name is Judith Wilson, and I'm the president of Jamaican for Life. Jamaican for Life is a not-for-profit organization. We have been in existence since 2014. Our mission is to bring medical equipment back to the rural areas in Jamaica. We have an upcoming fundraiser on the Summer Jam on July 7th. Please come out and support us.
Greetings, folks. This is Chris with the Jamaica Tourist Board. We're here at the Festival of Life concert. Bringing Grand Jamaica, the island of Jamaica, here to the beautiful city of Chicago. We want everybody to come on down to the beautiful island of Jamaica on a fantastic vacation experience. We have over 6 resort areas to choose from throughout the country, and you can fly non-stop from either Midway Airport or O'Hare Airport, on either United, American, or Southwest. And in 3 hours, you are in the beautiful island of Jamaica. Jamaica has the most tours and attractions of any Caribbean destination, so there's a lot to do as well. Jamaica is rich with culture, a lot of music festivals and cuisine festivals. We have a reggae marathon as well, sporting activities. And we have a wide selection of hotels in Jamaica to choose from, whether it's all-inclusive hotels where you pay one price, everything's included, or luxury hotels, boutique-type hotels, apartment-type hotels where you can do your own cooking and all that stuff. So come on down to the beautiful island of Jamaica. Visit our website, www.visitjamaica.com, to get some additional information on our beautiful island. Remember, Jamaica is warm all year round. So the best time to come to Jamaica, of course, is during the winter time when it's cold here. But Jamaica is open for business all year round. Winter, summer, fall, spring. Any time of year, come on down to the beautiful island of Jamaica. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. This is Nicole Ford. I have with me Miss Patricia Gordon, who's going to tell us a little bit about herself. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am great, thank you. Are you happy?
I'm having a great time.
Well, tell the audience, you have an exciting audience waiting for you, waiting to hear and learn more about you. So tell us about Patricia Gordon.
Well, first of all, my name is Patricia Gordon. Professionally, I'm a nurse, and I am here with Team Jamaica. I'm the president for Team Jamaica United. I serve the community. I work with Medlac, homeless. I work with the children, and we have a yearly tea and fashion show. We try to award a member doing outstanding work for the community. We work with young girls, young children.
Well, congratulations on your initiative in seeing the opportunity and making a difference for our community, particularly for the people from the Caribbean. And your program is called Team Jamaica United. What prompted you? What needs did you see were necessary for you to start this program?
Well, what made me want to get all of this Team Jamaica United? We are one as Jamaican and from the Caribbean. So we put ourselves united as one, meaning all of the Caribbean, all of America, everyone come and united as one. I don't want to pick out precisely Jamaican
connecting with the homeless population. What would you say is the number of people that are homeless from the Caribbean? What are your thoughts?
I was quite surprised to know that there are people within the United States from different countries who are homeless. And that's one of the focus that I look at, and I said, well, we are here, we have to take charge and do something about it. And that's the reason why that promoted me to do something like this.
Yeah, this is great, and I really admire what you do, particularly in making that huge difference, because homelessness is a need in the future. Even myself, as a registered nurse that I see, it becomes an emergency. Don't you say?
Correct, yes, it does. It does. And as a registered nurse and see all kind of people and different people that come through the hospital, we know the difference and we know what it's like.
And also, I'm focusing on the homeless because it is time that we raise awareness, because I remember a few decades ago there have been many media awareness about homelessness, and one thing particularly about the homeless is when they become sick, because they become sick because they're homeless, and also after treatment we have nowhere to send them. So please elaborate on this matter.
That is so true. Once we finish with them in the hospital, we have to find facility for them. And most of the time, there's no facility to send them, so we can find somewhere to put them for a night or two, but eventually they go back on the street.
So it's a vicious cycle, and I think in time you will continue to make that difference and to be expanding on the awareness so that people will know that you can provide such service. Wouldn't you say?
Correct. I agree.
Well, tell us a little bit about your team, because usually when you have an organization, you have a team and team members. So tell us about your exciting team.
We are the finance committee, where we take and find grants and find other things in order to have this going. So we have to go out there and try to find as much that we possibly can get from the community. As again, the community is the one that give us or help us with help. Now, for Carnival, we have a yearly Carnival every August. So in order, it takes money to put this together. The costumes, so we go out there and look for help in order to defray the cost of the costumes, get the food for the children.
So do you have any upcoming event besides the carnival?
Our upcoming event is August 18, 2018, at Midway Pleasant Drive.
So now that we know about what you do here at Team Jamaica United, how can we reach you? What is your contact information?
We on Facebook at Team Jamaica Mass Band. Team Jamaica Mass Band, and there's also a number there that you can reach us.
And so what is your last word, and also tell the audience your name again?
My name is Patricia Gordon.